Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to a brand new pocket bike video. The last pocket bike video was this long ago, so I thought, you know what, I need to make a new one. So I already recorded a video with the pocket bike, I can't tell you what yet, but today we're gonna do the cheapest mod you can do on your pocket bike, and that mod will be coloring your tires sidewalls with, I think you just call it Tipex, correction fluid, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna fill my rear tire with more air. I'm gonna run it and show you the wheel spinning without the Tipex applied, and then I'll apply it and show you the after results. So yeah, be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what the wheel looks like while spinning without the white letters. Okay, so that was it without the white letters. So yeah, now let me do the cleaning process and let me write the letters on them. Be right back. Okay, so the cleaning is done. I just need to dry my sidewalls and we'll be ready to put on the Tipex. Okay, so I've done the letters, but as you can tell, it's not too clean, and that's because this stuff dries out very quick. It's not very precise, and on the rear tire it's even worse because the rear tire does not have grooves on the letters, while the front tire has. So front tire is better. Now I'm gonna show you real quick how it looks when it is spinning. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the letters with a screwdriver and hopefully it will look better than this. So yeah, BRB. Okay, so here's how it looks. It looks a little sharper than before, and yeah, I think it looks alright. Two other YouTubers that I watch who post pocket bike videos, I challenge you, Dylan Desbians and Skullcam, to do the same thing to your tires and see if you found a better way to fill the letters in and to do it better than I did, which is not that hard. It just rained, but I'm gonna drive a little bit. It's a little wet, guys, and I just noticed it leaks a little fuel, so I'm gonna clean that up right now. Alright, so as you can tell in this side by side, the one with the colored letters, in my opinion, looks better. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications, it means a lot to me. And yeah, check out these other two pocket bike channels, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Drive hard. Drive Mustang.